which is the only substance which never gets spoiled? And do you know which is the only animal which cannot work backward? And do you also know which is the only insect which never sleeps? So welcome friends, I am Abhijit and welcome to our channel Ajeebo Gareeb. There are many such interesting facts about which everyone wants to know. If you also want to know some amazing facts about the world, so you have come to the right place. So in this episode, I will tell you more than one amazing facts about our world which you would not be knowing it before. So let's start. Fact number 1. So do you know our eye is of how many megapixels? So friends, we can see the world with a human eye. And with the human eye, we can recognize over 1 lakh colors. Our human eye is very fast. So if we say in technical language, our eye is about 576 megapixels. So wasn't it an amazing fact? So let's move to our second fact. Do you know that ants never sleep? Yes, it's true that ants never sleep. Ants in their life only work and never sleep. So do you know that ants can lift 20 to 80 times more than its weight? So let's move to our third fact. So do you know which country invented the USB technology and who invented it? So if you don't know, let me tell you that USB technology was invented in our India only. It was invented by Ajay Bhatt, who was an Indian American. If you want to know more, you can search in Wikipedia for this. So do you know which is the only sweet substance which cannot be spoiled for more than thousands of years? So let me tell you, this is the honey. Yes, honey cannot be spoiled for more than thousands of years if it is preserved. So let's move to our fifth fact. So do you know that elephants can never jump? Elephant is a large size vegetarian creature living on the earth. Elephants have larger body and have more weight. Due to this, they can never jump, and this is a fact. So let's move to our next fact. So do you know which is the only country which has no rivers? So yes, you are thinking right. It's Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a Muslim country and it is the 13th largest country in the world. Because of having no single river in this country, Saudi Arabia has to buy water from the other countries. This country sells oil to the other countries and there is no shortage of oil in this country. So if you like this fact, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So let's move to our last fact. So do you know kangaroo is the only animal which cannot work backward and cannot also jump or hop backwards? So friends, kangaroo can never move upside down because their body is tilted forward. So they can never walk upside down and can never jump upside down. So that's all in this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you know more facts like this, then you can write them in the comment box. So thank you.